So here it is. So how you can create a new Laravel project? So you can click the site and add the project. Here you can link an existing project, or either you can create a new project. So how you can create a new project by clicking a new Laravel project. Then next, whatever starter kit you need, you have to click it. So I clicking the Livewire starter kit. So by clicking here, it's asking for the project name. So it's our demo project. So we name it Laravel demo project. And here is the inbuilt authentication. You use other authentications as well, but now, as of now, we are going with the Laravel built-in authentications. Here is asking for the vault, so I click yes. So here's the testing framework. You can select as per your requirement. You can change the locations. So here we can go with the herd by default. So we can check as well. And your so your project will be created in this folder, and you have to click the next.